Hello students, we will discuss about how to divide a decimal number by decimal number. Okay, so to divide a decimal number by decimal number, just take first example, 25.5 divided by 0.5. So we have to divide decimal number by decimal number. So 25.5, it can be written as 25.5 upon 0.5. So whenever we divide a decimal number by decimal number, so just first step is equalize the digits after the decimal point. So see here, after the decimal point there is one digit, and here also after the decimal point there is one digit. So after the decimal points, the number of digits are same. So 25, if they after the decimal point number of digits are same, then we can do division by removing the decimal point. Means what? We can write 25.5 upon 0.5 as 255 by 5. Okay, and now we can divide it. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we get answer 51. So whenever we divide any decimal number by decimal number, just equalize the digits after the decimal point. So here after decimal point there is one digit, here also after decimal point there is one digit. So there are equal number of digits after the decimal point. So whenever there are equal number of digits after the decimal points, we can remove that decimal point and write the division as 255 by 5, and then divide. 255 by 5 is nothing but 51. Okay, so see another example, 20.3 divided by 0.7. So 20.3 divided by 0.7. So see here also, after the decimal point there is one digit. So instead of decimal point we can write only 203 divided by 7 and just divide. So 7 2s are 14 and 7 9s are 63. So we get the answer. Okay, now see third example, 7.75 divided by 0.25. So 7.75 upon 0.25. So see here also after the decimal point there are two digits, so equal number of digits. So now we can remove the decimal point and divide it. Okay, so what will we get answer? 25 3s are 75, remainder is 2, 25 1s are 25. So answer is 31. Okay, now see example number 4, 42.8 divided by 0.02. Okay, so we have to divide 42.8 by 0.02. So see, after the decimal point, here there are two digits, and here after the decimal point there is only one digit. So we must have to write here 0. That's so that after the decimal point we get equal number of digits. So here there was no digit, so we can write here 0. So now see, after the decimal point there are equal number of digits. So now you can remove the decimal point. Okay, so here if we remove the decimal point, the number will be 4280, and if we remove this decimal point, number will be 002, and 002 is nothing but 2. Now you can divide 4280 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0. So we get answer. Okay, now see another example. 27 divided by 0 0.03. Okay, so here also after the 27, so we have discussed about the decimal number by decimal number, so we can't take this example. So I take example number 5 as 30.94 upon 0.7. So 30.94 upon 0.7. So see, here after the decimal point there are 2 digits, and here after the decimal point there is 1 digit, so we must have to write 0 here. Okay, now remove the decimal points and write the numbers. So if we remove the decimal point, then number will be 3094, and if we remove the decimal point, then the number will be 70. Now as I discussed in the previous example, write 70 as 7 into 10, put 10 as it is, and divide this number by 7. So 7 4s are 28, remainder is 2. 7 4s are 28, remainder is 1. 7 2s are 14 upon 10, and what is 440 upon 10 is nothing but 44.2. So as like this you can divide any decimal number by decimal number. Whenever we divide any decimal number by decimal number, what is our first step? First step is equalize the digits after the decimal point, and second step, remove the decimal point and divide it. Okay, so on basis of this discussion, right, try to solve the exercise number 2.7. Okay, thank you.